Welcome students. Today's our topic is virtual SAN, VSAN, Virtual Storage Area Network. This is also called the virtual fabric, and it is a logical fabric on APSISAN. So this enabling the communication among the group of nodes that regardless of their physical location in the fabric. This virtual SAN a group of hosts or the storage spot communication with each other using the virtual topology, and that is defined in the physical sense. So multiple virtual SAN may be created on a single physical SAN, and each virtual SAN act as an independent fabric with its own set of fabric services such as name server, zoning, fabric related configuration in the one vSAN, and do not affect the traffic of the in the another. So this vSAN is improving the SAN security, that is storage area network security, scalability, availability, and manageability. vSAN provides the enhanced security by isolating the sensitive data in the virtual storage area network and by restricting the access to the resources located within the virtual storage area network. So the same fabric which is assigned, that is fabric channel address assigned to the node in the different virtual SAN. Now the same address to the different virtual SANs, and thus this is the increasing the fabric scalability. Okay, so the event which causing the traffic disruption in one virtual SAN are continued within the vSAN and are not appropriate for or to the others vSAN. So vSAN is facilitated and easy, flexible, and less expensive way to manage the network. The configuration of vSAN is easier and quick compared to the building the separate physical SAN, FCSAN, for various node groups. So to regroup the node, and administrator simply changes the vSAN configuration and without moving node or recabling. So this is the virtual storage area network. The reference is from this book, Information Storage and Management. Thank you to all of you.